Welcome to another video of Trash to Teach. We believe that learning opportunities are everywhere, even in the most unexpected places. Are you interested in how web browsers interact with web servers to load websites? Understanding how the web works can be complex, but I'll break it down into simple steps to help you grasp the basic. Computers connected to the internet are called clients and servers. A simplified diagram of how they interact might look like this. Clients are devices or software that request services or resources from servers. For example, when you type a URL into your web browser, it sends a request to a web server to retrieve and display the web page. Servers are powerful computers or software programs that provide services or resources to clients. For example, a web server hosts websites and sends the web page data back to the client web browser when requested. The client and server we've described now didn't tell the whole story. There are many other parts involved. Let's imagine that the web is a road. The client is on one end of the road, which is like your house. On the other end of the road is the server, which is a shop you want to buy something from. In addition to the client and the server, we also need to say hello to your internet connection. It allows you to send and receive data on the web. It's basically like the street between your house and the shop. Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol are communication protocols that define how data should travel across the internet. Domain Name System is like an address book for websites. When you type a web address in your browser, the browser looks at the DNS to find the website's IP address before it can retrieve the website. The browser needs to find out which server the website lives on, so it can send HTTP messages to the right place. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is an application protocol that defines a language for clients and servers to speak to each other. This is like the language you use to order your goods. A website is made up of many different files, which are like the different parts of the goods you buy from the shop. These files come in two main types: the code files and assets. Code files. Websites are built primarily from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, though you'll meet other technologies a bit later. Assets. This is a collective name for all the other stuff that makes up a website, such as images, music, video, Word documents, and PDFs. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another video.